Okay. Who would you let go?
Who would I let
Who
go?
would you let go?
Dapat di ko pa na-let go?
Yes, dapat
So,
hindi pa.
part pa ng life ko na.
Yes. Your one true love or your best friend. No right or wrong answer naman.
Parang di ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya pumili. I'm sorry, ang corny ng sagot ko.
Yeah, pero
Ikaw ba meron?
pero-
Magpapiliin ka.
Mahirap din siyang sagutin. Gaya lang yun naisip ko na parang,
But what if my best friend is the love of my life? So,
Okay.
you can let go paging,
paging friends and then
pwede kayo
Evolve.
mag-evolve into,
something
something
deeper.
deeper. Or, i-give up mo yung romance and then you can just become friends.
Ako muna.
Okay.
Caring, passionate, lovable.
Very gentle, very organized, and workaholic.